Good afternoon, class. My name is Miss Molly. Today we will be learning about money and how we can represent different amounts in multiple ways. Our objectives today are 1. Review values of coins, including quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. 2. Explore the different ways you can build combinations of money. And 3. Develop the understanding that one value can be represented in multiple ways. We will be using Geogebra to achieve today's objectives. On Geogebra, we will be using this application with piggy banks. Pause the video to familiarize yourself with tools such as the Start Over button, the coins, and the Show Total button under the piggy banks. If you scroll to the top of the application screen, you will see different amounts of money given to us as examples. But first, we're going to go over the values of each coin. So first we have pennies. Pennies are equal to 1 cent. Next are nickels, and nickels equal 5 cents. Next are dimes, and dimes equal 10 cents. And now quarters, quarters equal 25 cents. So scroll back to the top of the application. For this practice, we will be distributing money into each piggy bank. But here is the tricky part. You can't use the same combination of coins in piggy bank number 1 as piggy bank number 2. Our first amount is 76 cents. So to demonstrate this value, in piggy bank number 1, I'm going to put first 3 quarters, 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 1 penny. And in piggy bank number 2, I'm going to put in 1 quarter, 5 dimes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 penny. To check your work, you can click on the Show Total button under the piggy banks and make sure our combinations equal each other and match the listed monetary value in the examples. So piggy bank number 1 and piggy bank number 2 both equal 76 cents. Okay, so before completing the next example, up in this corner we got to click Start Over. Next, we are going to skip down a few examples, so let's look. We're going to represent 23 cents in each piggy bank. In piggy bank number 1, I'm going to put in 2 dimes. 1, 2. And then I'm going to put in 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. And in piggy bank number 2, I'm going to put in 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll scroll down and click on Show Total. Piggy bank number 1 equals 23 cents, and piggy bank number 2 equals 23 cents. This application is very good to use at home because you can always check your work by clicking on the Show Total button. Okay, so we're going to do one more example. So click Start Over. And another way we can use our piggy banks is to already click Show Total at the beginning before we even start. And when you add coins, our piggy bank value will adjust when you put money in or take money out. So I'll show you how to do this with 80 cents. So in piggy bank number 1, I'm going to start by putting 2 quarters. And as I put in both quarters, it adds up to 50 cents already. And then I'm going to add 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. Let's pretend I was going to put a nickel in, and it tells me it's 85, so I know that that's not correct. So I'm going to put my nickel back. And then in piggy bank number 2, I'm going to put in 1 quarter and 4 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next I'm going to put in 1 nickel. And then I'm at 70 cents, so I have to put 10 more cents in. And I'm going to put in 10 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then both of our piggy banks equal 80 cents. Thank you guys so much for watching and listening. I hope you guys can use this application at home.